Hello everybody, today I have an HVAC video for all of you. This particular video is going to be a January 2024 startup of my 2019 Carrier Performance Series gas-powered furnace. Now I know it's been over a month since I've done the last startup, so again, we are doing, once again, a monthly checkup on my Carrier Performance Series gas furnace to make sure that it's running correctly. So this thing was running just a few minutes ago prior to me making this video. So let's go ahead and just make sure that everything is running correctly. So of course we have our vacuum switches right here. We of course have our draft inducer fan motor. Right here we have our gas valve. And right here are our 5 burners. Right here is the flame sensor to our right, and on the left is the hot surface igniter. And I am pretty sure this right here is a high temperature limit switch to make sure that the temperature does not get too hot, because if it does, then the switch will trip and then it'll shut off the control board to the gas valve. So, anywho, I am pretty sure I do not have anything else to say other than the fact that this draft inducer fan motor has an awesome sounding startup and it revs up to full speed very quickly. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and fire this furnace up for the first time this month, and of course, for the first time this year. There we go. First startup of my 2019 Carrier Performance Series gas-powered furnace for the first month of this new year. So, yep, there we go. Vacuum switches are closed successfully. Draft inducer fan motor is sucking air into the heat exchanger. And of course, the gas. Gas valve is open. There's our combustion chamber with our 5 flames. Looking real nice. Flames are all stable. Everything seems to be running perfectly. So yep, another success of another monthly startup of this 2019 Carrier Performance Series gas furnace. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, then please be sure to like, comment, rate, and of course subscribe. And thank you all very much for watching.